upcoming week. Very chilly today, seeing some rain here and there, but we're about to start seeing some more rain and possibly snow.
Yeah, unfortunately, it is a messy Sunday evening across the area. Here's our live look here on top of our station here in Hamburg. You can see the raindrops on the camera lens. So we do have some showers here floating around the Lexington Metro here. 37 degrees, so it's a cold rain with a feels like of 32 degrees. So it is definitely cold and just a kind of miserable night to head outside. Our Max HD radar is kind of really blossoming here this evening. You can see all the green and central and eastern Kentucky, but we got some snow up to our north. More on that in just a second. First, we had a heavier band of rain here in far southeastern Kentucky. That's now pushing off into West Virginia, so that is getting on out of town. Some lighter showers here in the Bluegrass region, over from Versailles here to Lexington, down to Nicholasville, maybe some over there in Winchester and Mount Sterling. But look at this, some moderate to occasionally heavy snow here just to our north in Grant, Pendleton counties, over to Harrison counties, up to Falmouth, and up to the Cincinnati metro. So would not be surprised to see some light accumulations come out of that. I think that stays to our north and will slide off into our northeast later this evening, but still some folks here in central and eastern Kentucky can see a flurry here or there. Those colder temperatures are centered to the central and the north, 37 here in Lexington, 37 in Richmond. But look at southern Kentucky. We're still in the mid to even upper 40s. So that colder air is still having issues trying to get on down to the southern part of Kentucky as well. End of the week thoughts. Now let's advance. We know that the next couple of days are going to be dry, but rain begins to move in late on our Wednesday. It'll continue through the day on Thursday. And then as colder air crashes on in here, snow takes over by Thursday night through Friday. At this point, we're still 4 or 5 days out. We're in the window of watching trends. Some of the latest model trends today is beginning to show a quicker transition over to snow, more so Thursday night into Friday. So we'll have to see exactly how those solutions play out. Here's one look at our Euro extended. You can see the rain moving in on our Thursday, occasionally heavy as well. Wind gusts that may be upwards of 20 to 30 miles an hour. But look, this is 6:45 in the evening, and you can already see back to the west of Louisville that cold air beginning to crash in. It'll eventually spread into central and eastern Kentucky after midnight, and then into the day on Friday. Waves of snow showers and snow squalls are possible. And then later Friday, you can see these streaks here beginning to come. Those will be coming straight from Lake Michigan. Those could provide some snow squalls with additional accumulations Friday night into Saturday. So again, we're still watching. Another look here. The GFS has that rain again on Thursday. And then later in the day on Thursday, as the cold air crashes down in here, that changes over to some snow. Lasts throughout the day on Friday. And this model tries to keep the snow going all the way into Saturday. So while I can tell you right now that we're going to get rain Thursday and it's going to change over to snow at some point Thursday night into Friday, accumulations and impacts are still being lined out, and of course we'll have those details coming up this week. Here in the short term, tonight we'll drop it to around freezing with the rain showers ending, but flurries will be possible if not an actual out-and-out snow shower for areas to our north. Tomorrow on our Monday, highs into the low 40s as skies begin to clear, and then it'll still be very chilly with temperatures right around average where we should be. Here's a look at our 7-day forecast. You can see that Monday and Tuesday we will stay dry, temperatures increasing both days, and then late in the day on Wednesday we will spike it to near 60 with rain moving in before that next potentially significant system moves in on Thursday. We'll jump it up to the mid to upper 50s early in the day on Tuesday. We'll dive it down deep into the 30s by Thursday night with snow taking over into Friday. We'll be right back after the break.